Okay, what do we have here? We have a BOSCH clothes dryer. It's another piece of total, complete, absolute, unmitigated crap. Check out the bubble there. The bubble perfectly aligned. I must have tried, I don't know, 3 dozen times. Finally, well, I got the bubble straight in various positions. Here it is. So here is the wonderful piece of German engineering. Ready? Go. Yes, that's the quiet power of BOSCH. What is it? 2 years old? Been doing this since day one, and I expect it to crap out on me anytime. So the other remarkable piece of crap in this piece of crap is the exit right there. Tube takes hours to put it in properly because the outlet moves. So as you try to push in the tube, the vent into the outlet is supposed to stay in place so that you can engage, pushes inside, goes inside, and it's pure emotional suffering. E01, so there must be an error. What is it going to be this time? Who knows? I don't know that this is a piece of crap. Lint filter. See? Doesn't even look that dirty. Inside, I clean it up. I have to clean it about every 2 months because there was a little engineering problem, and the lint trap does not capture all the lint, so it ends up in the motor van, the space that occupies the motor, and as a consequence of that, there is risk of fires. Yeah, that's German engineering. Okay, all right, thank you, bye.